Here's a super technique I would like to share with you. It's if you want to draw a really straight line in one of your paintings. Okay, now you could use a watercolour pencil. Okay, and there you go, you've got your straight line, and if you wanted to, you could then just gently run down it with your wet paintbrush to make it look as if you've painted it. That's not bad. It's not super duper straight though, is it? Not super duper. You could then sort of use your paintbrush and very carefully, oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all, but the thickness of the line has altered a bit. So I'm going to show you a lovely technique. You need a good stiff hard rule, plastic or metal, it doesn't matter as long as it's solid. And what you do is you rest the rule at an angle, okay, at an angle like that, and that hand is solid on the paper, okay, so that isn't really going to move very much. You then take your paintbrush, get some paint on it, you rest the ferrule, that's the metal part of the paintbrush, onto that edge, and then you just slide your brush across it. And again, you can adjust the thickness if you want to, but if you're just after a nice smooth line, you can rest your hand on it as well, whatever works for you to keep it fairly straight. So there you go, there's a nice little technique which I hope you will find useful should you ever want a straight line. You may want it for things like in buildings, architecture, if you're painting masts on yachts or whatever your needs might be, but it's always good to have this extra trick in your armoury. So I hope that is of help to you and you will find it useful.